Here I have Huawei Honor 20i, and today I'm going to show you how to lock apps with fingerprint on this device. So first of all, what you have to do is to open settings, then enter biometrics and password. Then what you will have to do is to add fingerprint. Then firstly you will have to set up another backup lock screen method for your device. It could be 6-digit pin, but you can also change unlock method. You can set it to 4-digit pin, to custom pin, or to pattern or password. I'll just go with the 4-digit pin, then enter it, then confirm it. Then what you have to do is to select which features of the fingerprint you want to use. It could be access app lock. This is what we want. And what you have to do next is to find the fingerprint sensor, which is located here at the back of your device, and just tap it with your finger several times, like this. And fingerprint added successfully. Then you have to enable this app lock. You can set custom pin for the locked apps, or you can just use the same as on the lock screen. And now when you have this access app lock enabled, what you have to do next is to go to the security section, then go to the app lock. Then you have to confirm your fingerprint, and here you can see the whole list of apps which you can block with your fingerprint. Let's block, for example, Chrome. Let's block, for example, maybe messages. And now let's try to open Google Chrome, and as you can see, now it requires fingerprint to unlock Google Chrome. The same goes to messages. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.